Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Yes, a truck can be too heavy for a highway. The Federal Highway Administration sets the maximum weight limit for trucks at 80,000 pounds on the interstate highway system. Certain roads and bridges may also have lower weight limits to prevent structural damage. Exceeding these limits can result in fines and potential restrictions on movement to ensure safety and infrastructure integrity.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.